and the winding of a company can only be done by the process of the winding up of a company can only be done through what? How can one company be liquidated? एक कंपनी कैसे liquidated होता है? By CIRP, insolvency resolution means by CIRP, corporate insolvency resolution process through IBC, a company can be liquidated. ठीक है? Private company means a company which has a minimum paid up capital of what amount? Private company का minimum paid up capital कितना होता है? Private company का minimum paid up capital कितना होता है? एक प्राइवेट कंपनी का मिनिमम पेड अप कैपिटल कितना होता है? Very good. No minimum capital requirement. No minimum capital requirement. Earlier it used to be 1 lakh, but in 2015 this has been repealed. So no minimum capital requirement. No minimum capital requirement. Okay. And yes, in a public limited company there used to be 5 lakh capital required. A public limited company जिसका minimum member 7, maximum unlimited होता है. ठीक है? Unlimited होता है. A public company should have no minimum capital requirement, but it should have minimum 1 lakh authorized capital requirement. Banks have been advised to grant eligible borrowers belonging to SC, ST such as advances to the extent of not less than what percentage of their total DRI advances. टोटल DRI एडवांस में से कितना मिनिमम SC, ST बेनिफिशियरी को देना होता है? कितना मिनिमम SC, ST बेनिफिशियरी को देना होता है? कितना मिनिमम SC, ST बेनिफिशियरी को देना होता है? बताइए. 700 प्लस पीपल आर वाचिंग. इस बात पर लाइक कर दीजिए और जो नए हैं वो कृपया करके सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. जस्ट अ सेकेंड. इट इज मिनिमम 40% टू SC, ST कैंडिडेट्स और 2/5 of the advances should go to the SC, ST beneficiary. DRIs, differential rate of interest. Otherwise, banks are not eligible to give loans below their cost of fund, right? Above cost of fund, they should charge the spread, and because even they cannot give to anyone. Normally, they cannot give loans to the director. But if anyone is close to the director or bank wants to give somebody a concession like to a large exposure or to like Adani's and Ambani's, even they cannot offer below their cost of fund. Even if there is a quid pro quo, करप्शन होने के बाद भी बैंक का पूरा मैनेजमेंट चाहकर भी किसी बड़े कॉर्पोरेट को या फिर किसी एक आदमी को अपने कॉस्ट ऑफ फंड में लोन नहीं दे सकता. कॉस्ट ऑफ फंड के नीचे या फिर कॉस्ट ऑफ फंड में. कॉस्ट ऑफ फंड के ऊपर उनको मिनिमम एक स्प्रेड या फिर प्रॉफिट चार्ज करना होता है. इज इट क्लियर? अच्छा, इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर दीजिए. अंडर DRI स्कीम बैंक्स प्रोवाइड फिनेंस अप टू ₹15,000 at a concessional rate of interest of what percentage per annum to the weaker sections of the community for engaging in meaningful productive activities? It is minimum 4%. 4%. Okay, differential rate of interest is for the weaker. Under DRI scheme, banks provide finance up to 15,000 at a concessional rate of interest of 4%.